Very good morning, friends. This is Colonel Ajay, CEO AjayAstroMoneyGuru.com and first global astrofinance digital channel Ajay Astro Money Guru. Today, 5th of October, year 2020. Friends, in this episode, we shall be sharing our astro-technical research on Asian capital market. We shall talk on Nikkei, Hang Seng, Kospi, what all stocks likely to see up or downward movement. We shall share our astro research. First of all, we shall just look at what all planetical condition as on date in the sky. The important planet Jupiter, it is in Sagittarius, and Capricorn, it is in occupation of Saturn. Mars, it is in retrogression in Pisces, while Moon, it is in Aries. Rahu in Taurus, while Venus is in Leo sign. Kings of all planet, Sun, it is deposited in Virgo zodiac sign, and Ketu, it is in Scorpio. What all impact it is supposed to be seen in the stock market, we shall be sharing. First of all, Nikkei 225, we are expecting positive movement in automobile sector, pharma stocks, and electrical goods. Stocks may likely to see upward movement in Nikkei. In short term, traders can keep an eye on Nissan Motor, Tokyo Electric Power Company, Mitsubishi Motor Corporation. I repeat, Nissan Motors, Tokyo Electric Power, Mitsubishi Motors Corporation. These stocks likely to see upward movement today. Now we'll talk about Hang Seng, Hong Kong. Hang Seng, we are expecting Alibaba is looking positive. China Life Insurance Company also looking positive. And Hang Seng Bank is also show positive moment today on 5th of October year 2020. As we said, we are expecting positive moment in financial institutions, insurance companies, online consumer durable selling company, and banking stocks. So therefore, you can keep eye on Alibaba, China Life Insurance, and Hang Seng Bank. Now Kospi, South Korean Stock Exchange, we are expecting Korea Petrochemicals, Lotte Chemical Corporation. These two stocks should be kept under observation. We are expecting positive movement. Please go through our disclaimers before taking any decisions. This is absolutely for the purpose of sharing our astro research for the research scholars, market experts, and financial astrology students. Friends, now we shall switch over what all zodiac sign are favorable and what all zodiac sign which may not be giving you favorable results in the trading or in routine way. As per Eastern School of Astrology, 12 zodiac signs are divided into 4 elements: fire, earth, air, and water. Each element it is been allotted 3 zodiac sign. Like fire element, it is allotted to 3 zodiac sign: Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. As per Astro Technical today, these 3 signs likely to see favorable results, but they need to be very careful during first hour of the trading. The second element, it is earth. It is allotted 3 zodiac sign: Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Mixed results are expected. Air element, it is being allotted 3 zodiac sign: Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Positive results are expected in the trading. And the fourth element is water: Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. These 3 zodiac signs star may favor you in trading. Friends, as per Eastern School of Astrology, in at your birth chart, where moon it is deposited, that is your zodiac sign. So the all calculation it is done based on the moon movement and the transit. So therefore, please go through our disclaimers also before going through our this video. Your suggestion and comments are welcome. You can subscribe our paid services also on the Asian stocks and the commodities. All the very best. Good luck. Happy trading.